This is your National Marketing Director, Fidelita Iligan. So before Lifestyles, I am a high school graduate. 15 years as sales lady in a leading grocery store in Dumaguete City. Grabe no, for 15 years. Buti na lang nakilala ko si Lifestyles way back February of 2017. Dahil nagbago dito, nagbago yung buhay ko from nothing to something. Grabe no. Ako lang naman yung grabe ka sipag. So, yung sipag ko, binuhos ko talaga dito sa Lifestyle dahil nakikita ko na ang opportunity na ito ay talagang makapagbago ng buhay ko. So, sinideline ko to ng 2 years. Wala akong pangkapital. So, ang ginawa ko, may paraan. Doon ako sa paraan. Nag-loan ako sa SSS at sa Pag-ibig and the rest was history. So, naging promotion after promotion, grabe no, pag magsipag ka dito, todo mo yung sipag mo dito, mapopromote ka. So may humble beginning before no, nagmumotor lang ako na yung motor ko, yan yung kung nakita mo, that's 7 years ago na no. So grabe talagang sipag, hindi ko ginawang hindrance yung yung sitwasyon ko. So na-promote akong National Marketing Director way back of this December 2020. So grabe no, during pandemic. So talagang pruweba na pandemic proof yung business natin. Kasi doon lumaki yung income ko at saka yung organization ko. And of course, yan yung first brand new car ko na na-acquire ko. So who have thought no na grabe, an ordinary person na mukhang yaget dahil sa Lifestyles product, nag-level up yung confidence, yung mahiyain, ako, nagda-drive na ngayon ng brand new car. And of course, yung personality growth, di ba? The person you will become. Dito ko talaga na ilabas ni Lifestyles Company yung greatness ko na yung pwede ko pang gawin. Grabe no, yung dating hindi ko talaga mai-explain. So yan, keep on sharing lang sa product dahil doon sa product, makikilala mo yung mga tao in your organization. Mag-attend ng training and grabe no, travel. Yan talaga yung pinaka-gusto ko dito. Na yung effort mo, abang nag-work hard ka, may mga travels din na nagpapa-enjoy sa'yo. So, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, naikot ko na yan. And grabe, next month of February, my first international travel to Hong Kong Disneyland lang naman. Okay, di ba? Grabe talaga yung lifestyle. So, to our dear guests, no? Oh, di ba? To our dear guests, eto pala yung National Gala, no? This January 26 na, di ba? 6 days more to go. And of course, yan, grabe talaga yung personality growth ko talaga dito. So first check, doing lifestyles business, that 4 months after doing lifestyles, 28,000. And my highest check, when I was promoted to National Marketing Director, combined check, that was 319,000 during pandemic. Wow! So to our dear guests, grabe. Yung lifestyles lang talaga. So, if you love your body, drink Lifestyles product. If you love your family, do the business. With that, thank you and good morning.